India's economy, deep dive in the flow. Sectors unfold now, let the real facts show. Sectors shift, watch them climb. Economy's a rhythm every time. Jobs and growth, feel the pulse. Nation rising, see results. Primary is nature, cotton plants grow tall. Dairy, mining, fishing, it forms base for all. Secondary sector moves, changing forms you see. From sugar to brick walls, industry truly. Tertiary makes it move, services are key. Aid to other sectors, helping constantly. Doctors, teachers, transport, IT, banking too. Each one plays its part now, making dreams come true. Sectors shift, watch them climb. Economy's rhythm every time. Jobs and growth, feel the pulse. Nation rising, see results. GDP is big value, final goods count true. Intermediate not in, no double counting through. Economic survey data helps us understand. GVA's the new way across the whole land. Old days, primary reigned, most people worked there. Then factories took hold, industry in the air. Now services dominate, developed nations trend. India sees this shift now, on which we depend. Sectors shift, watch them climb. Economy's rhythm every time. Jobs and growth, feel the pulse. Nation rising, see results. India's GVA grew fast, service sector's grace. But jobs still in primary, at a slower pace. Underemployment hides, Laxmi's family knows. Many hands on one farm, potential never shows. Sukaram could help out with work on his land. Casual workers in cities, underemployed firsthand. MG and REGA 25, 100 days secure. Right to work's the mission, hardship is endured. Sector shift, watch them climb. Economy's rhythm every time. Jobs and growth, feel the pulse. Nation rising, see results. Kanta in an office, organized and neat. Paid leave, provident fund, job security suite. Kamal is her neighbor, unorganized, tough scene. Daily wage, no benefits, unfair, really mean. Rules not always followed, low pay, no safe space. Protection is needed in this challenging race. Farmers, weavers, street vendors, vulnerable they are. Scheduled communities face discrimination scars. Some things are for everyone, big spending takes the lead. Government steps in and planting every seed. Basic needs are crucial for all of us to thrive. Sector shift, watch them climb. Economy's rhythm every time. Jobs and growth, feel the pulse. Nation rising, see results. Public and private, different ways, but together we stand through all days. Learn these sectors, know the game. India's future, calling your name.